So, we're about to give you the best dance video you've ever seen in your life. Like, it's no big deal or anything.
No.
Well, we're pretty awesome. Yeah, okay.
Alright. Well, when you're home and you're feeling down, I've been home and I've been feeling down. Have you? Yeah, no, seriously, like, I've been home and, like, I need a pick-me-up song. And go! What we're gonna do is dance. Basically, what we're gonna do is dance.
So you know what I'm gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm telling you what I'm gonna do. Hold on. That's not what I'm gonna do. Not what I'm gonna do at all. That's not what I'm gonna do. No.
I feel like I'm kind of lazy. You know what I need to do? It makes me wanna. Oh. What is the word? What? What? Jump!
Well, these are my girls. Representing the Veronicas. I don't know the rest. You know who we gotta give it up for? My girl. We gotta give it up for my girl, Brittany.
Change it.
I'm not in love. This is not my heart. I just wanted to say that this is what we do in our spare time. I'm tired. We've been dancing for like an hour now. Next day.